What if you can muster up visuals using only a few words? Meet Supermachine with the most recent AI technology. You can write a few sentences or phrases describing the kind of image you'd want to see, and the AI technology will typically provide you with that image in less than 15 seconds. Introducing Supermachine. You can make your own stock photos, artwork, NFTs, YouTube thumbnails, blog images, and anything else your imagination can think of. By using AI technology to refresh your image content game across all of your social media and online presence, you can join the AI revolution that is sweeping the globe. Supermachine is a lightning-fast option that can produce images in a range of different aspect ratios in under 15 seconds. This software provides you with an incredibly simple dashboard that allows you to quickly create photographs on a PC or a mobile device. Plus, you can also transform a description into a richly detailed image that is both totally original and ready for your content marketing needs. You have full commercial rights to use these photographs for whatever purpose you require. They have never before been seen anywhere. A task in practical engineering is to run this technology at the pace Supermachine enables. No need to purchase pricey gear or GPU. With regard to value and affordability, Supermachine excels. For a wide range of use cases, users have had remarkable success producing photos. You can find inspiration from Supermachine's public collection, whether you require images for blog articles, thumbnails for YouTube videos, NFT concepts, fashion or architectural prototypes, or anything else. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Browse two outstanding Creative Commons licensed public databases of AI images with Supermachine. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.